Gold prices bounce back sharp after the yesterday's lows. We have now seen gold again hitting 4,000 plus levels and now trading close to 4,000 here. While if you talk about crude oil, it has dropped all the way towards 60.4, the next support zone, and Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones traded in a narrow range here. What to expect from these four instruments with the US session now? Last update for the week before I release the weekly updates tomorrow. Do like, share, and comment. Subscribe as well to get the notifications for all the updates. I do release twice a day updates on major global markets and commodities. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with crude oil. Lastly, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch the lead. If you see gold on the hourly charts, after this drop, it is under retracement. How high it can retrace? If you look at the movement here, this is kind of an expanding triangle. The highs here are aiming towards 40-40. If at all gold tries to move upwards here, 40-40 could be the highs before it tries to take a dip again. But right now it is not showing signs of weakness. It is right now also trading at 39.98, which shows that it has still got room for further up move here. Yes, if it trades now beyond this zone, that is the preceding highs. In fact, you can buy at 4,002 levels itself. But then be first be cautious at 4008, 4010, and then 4000 2022. Only and only if you see gold trading beyond 40 2022, you can expect that the next target at 4040 should be there very soon. Moving averages again starting to converge here. Stochastic at the top, while MACD, if you look at after hitting the bottom, crossing over here again, trading with divergence, is staying bullish here. RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, you can see the preceding candle created a step and the current one starting on the flat note looking upwards. There is a possibility that prices might move towards 48, 40, 10 zone, and in fact 40, 2022 could also be there soon. But let's wait for it to trade first above 4002 levels, which will confirm further up move. Else the preceding candle could become a reversal sign if at all. Now see, it has to trade below 39.90 and 39.84. Two levels you should mark. If at all gold trades below these two levels, the possibility of a reversal will be high. And then what you can expect? You can expect 39.60 and lower levels here. Yes, what is happening? Notice drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and now from these levels it could reverse again. Hence, at least till 48, 4008, 4010 levels, you have to be careful. Prices might reverse, and in fact 4020 also you should watch out for. Prices can reverse from these levels, but beyond that 4040 should be there. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI rising here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, prices have consolidated here. First breakout candle, it is possible that it can deliver the second bullish candle here, taking all the way towards 4020 or higher levels. But I'll wait because see, things are getting overbought here on the longer time frames, and hence a little retracement should not be treated for a reversal here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI almost staying flat. On the 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart, sideways movement trying to bounce back, and it is possible that it may erase the losses from this candle or slightly lower levels. Yes, which means it can in fact move towards the zone close to 40 2022. But I'll wait here. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 4002, you can initiate a buy and expect it to rise towards 4810 or 40 2022 levels here. The next targets. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish and with divergence may try to converge here. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to the daily chart, look at the daily chart. See, it has created a double bottom before bouncing back up again. Also, it is now trading above the 5-period moving average, which has offered it a very good support so far. It has tried to breach it yesterday, closed above this. Today again it has breached this and now backed above the 5-period moving average, which is indeed a crucial support here, which means till 39.84 you have to be watchful, below which you can expect more bearishness to follow. And if you see the move here, yes, it has formed a double top. So this is again a crucial indication. This indicates that now 4060 is going to be a bigger hurdle for gold to break beyond. Only and only if you see gold trading beyond 4060, you can say that it is going to rally towards 4100 or in fact 4200 mark. Else for now 4060 should be a greater hurdle for gold to break beyond. Moving averages here are trading with divergence. Stochastic has taken a hit here, while the MACD is trying to converge. See, MACD is converging from an extremely higher levels, which increases the possibility of a reversal soon. RSI just staying overbought here. Considering this, what you should where you should buy. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description, and those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over telegram for queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 4002 levels. Yes, you can buy here at 4002. Expect it to move towards 4008 10, the first target. If at all it stays above this, you can expect more bullishness to prevail from there. And then I will be looking forward to 4020 24 zone, and if this is taken, then 4040. Now 4040 is very crucial for gold to break beyond. If at all it trades beyond 4040, that will be the confirmation of a reversal towards the top all the way towards 4060 levels here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. And where to sell? Now ideally a selling entry I will recommend is now at 3990 levels only, below which you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 398485 nearest support, and 39 76 78 the next. If these two levels are taken, we are aiming for 3960, and below 3960 3940. If at all gold breaches 3940, we are looking forward to a greater downslide all the way towards 3900. See, 3930 is also one support which you should watch out for. Below 3930, it's 3900 which it would like to strike, and below that it is going to crash heavily. Let's see if at all it tries to deliver this move. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. See, oil moved today towards the next crucial support at 60.4. Earlier in the day, I had marked a zone 60.7, 60.4. So far, the zone is respected, and yes, it has achieved this. So, can we expect a reversal from these levels here? Can we say that the lows are done? Now, if you look at the hourly charts here, you can find out oil is trading in this bearish channel. Only and only if you see it is staying beyond 61 and 61.4, you can say that it is reversed. Else, it is yet not confirming a reversal. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bearish. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD is staying bearish. The RSI is staying oversold here. Look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement, drop again, lower highs, lower lows, waiting for it to trade beyond 61 mark, which will confirm the possible rise here, and beyond 61.4 is the only reversal. Else, also notice it has formed a good double bottom here. So this zone is very crucial for 60.4 levels to be taken, and then 60, because 60 is a critical psychological number now for oil to break below. Moving average is trading with divergence is staying bearish here. Stochastic oversold. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Very important for oil to trade below 60.4 levels now, because what will confirm below this is 60, and below 60 is where the bears are waiting. Below 60 is where in the coming week we might see oil at 59.3, 58.8 or 57.8 levels as well. But right now, I think I can see that a good support is coming in at around 60.4 levels here for crude oil. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI at bottom here. Look at 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts coming to the crucial support zone. It is possible that it could become a double bottom, but not if it trades below 60. That will be the continuation of the down move from there, because below 60 is where 60 is anyways a good psychological number now for crude oil, trading below which more bearishness to follow in the coming days and coming weeks. Stochastic getting oversold. Things are getting oversold on stochastic, but look at MACD just crossed over and it is looking downwards, trading bearish. RSI at bottom as well. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation on the 4-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, and now trying to find the support here. Let's hope it does not break this support. The moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bearish here. Stochastic getting oversold while the MACD just crossed over and it is still looking downwards and suggestive of more bearishness ahead. RSI is also dropped sharp. Coming to the daily charts, look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, similar observation here. See, lower lows are done, and when you see the recent move, this is double bottom level. So it is very crucial for oil to trade below this, specifically below 60.4, and 60 is where you can see aggressive bearishness. Because what's happening here? See, though I do see this is bottoming here, but breach below 60 and then 59.3 will be a confirmation of a breakout on the downside, where it will head towards. See, once it trades below 60 and 59.3, then you can confirm that possibly we might see 57.8 and in fact 55 levels here. Stochastic right now bearish, MACD bearish here, RSI looking downward. So considering this, what you should, so these are the levels you should watch out for: 61, 61.4. You can buy at 61, expect 61.4, then 61.8, 62 levels will come into picture, and then 62.5, 62.6. Looking at the move, it is not showing any strength to break these levels here. Yes, this is just in case if at all it tries to reverse, these are going to be the targets here, and these are definitely going to offer maximum resistance. On the downside, I will recommend to sell at 60.4. When you see the higher price below 60.40, you can take a sell. Expect 60, 60.1 as the first target, 59.6 and then 59.3 as the second target. This is very crucial. If and only if oil trades below 59.3, stay bearish for 58.6, 57.8, and then in the near future 55 and 50 will also be there. Let's see the direction it takes today and in the coming week is going to remain crucial for crude oil. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 today traded in narrow range. Yes, see the levels which we have discussed earlier in the day, 25,170. It is yet to break beyond 25,170, and if and only if you see Tech 100 above 25,170, you can buy and expect it to move towards 25,200 and 240. Remember, till 25,240 is not taken, chances of reversal will be very very high. Beyond 25,240, the down move is going to be difficult here. See what's happening. Lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. This is the zone of consolidation which Nasdaq 100 has to come out of. Moving averages trading with divergence and bullish, staying bullish. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD at, also trading bearish and are at lower levels here. The RSI is trying to recover. Look at the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart. Similar observation here. Look at the resistance it has got intact. So yes, it has to trade beyond 25,170, 25,200 and 240 mark. Till 25,240, it is yet not to be treated bullish. Only and only if you see Tech 100 above 25,240, you can expect that now a rally has to be there soon. Stochastic has seen a dip, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI is staying flat here. On the 3 hour charts, and you see swings here, but again 25,170 and 200, as long as these levels are not taken, it is not yet to be treated bullish. Though you can see it is kiss 20 period and bounce back, but again there could be an attempt. So if you see it is staying below 25,100, you can take a sell. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI flat here. On the 4 hour charts, and you see I expect that again it is going to trade red, possibility is there. So as long as 25,170 is not taken, you have to be cautious with the buys. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trying to converge crossover for sell, RSI is staying flat. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts, the consolidation going on here. And yes, lower highs are very very important point, because see, as long as these highs are not taken, you have to be cautious with the buys here. So, and that is why also I have seen, see, this also confirms with the levels here that 25,200 and 240 needs to be taken here. Only and only if Tech 100 trades beyond these two levels, you can say that this is turning bullish. Else what could happen? It could try to come somewhere here towards 25,000. And if that is taken, then 24,900 and 800 should be there. Stochastic overbought. MACD at the top. This is what you should do. Buying entries are pretty clear. I will only recommend you to buy if you see now Tech 100 trading about 25,170 levels, expect 25,200 and 25,240. If at all it trades beyond 25,240, stay bullish. This is going to deliver an enormous move towards 25,330, 25,400 levels, and beyond this you can expect a move towards 25,500 as well. I do not see that happening, but on the downside also, now let's focus on, I will recommend you to buy 25,100, expect 25,070, 040, and then 25,000. Below 25,000, this time we might see a stronger down move, which is going to take it all the way towards 24,900 levels, the next target, 900, 920, and then 24,800, the next targets here. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. US30 on the early charts. See, it is striking against the wall here. It has to trade beyond 46,450 levels. We have discussed earlier in the day 46,450 is very very crucial for US30 to break beyond. It is possible that it might breach these levels, but at that point you can initiate a buy. So if you see now US30 trading above 46,500, buy for 46,450, buy for 46,500, 550, 600. I'll say it is still not yet confirmed a reversal. The reversal confirmation for US30 is far above, that is 46,800 and 46,900 zone. See what has happened here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, sideways movement. So, and yes, it is trading in this bearish channel. It has to trade beyond 46,500 levels in order to confirm further bullishness here. And then specifically beyond 46,600, 650 is where stronger momentum will be seen. Stochastic has taken a dip, while the MACD is rising right from the lows. Now it is looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is also showing a bit of rise. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, you can see sideways movement. It is getting its resistance intact. We have to wait for it to trade beyond 46,450, which appears to be a wall as of now. But see, notice what is happening: rise, retracement, rise. And now once it trades below 46,350, you can take a sell from 46,350, expect 46,300. And this time trading below 46,300, we are waiting for a greater down move. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence and stochastic trading comfortable. MACD has hit a bottom here. It is trying to cross over for a buy. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts, notice resistance here intact, and it is trying to take a direction. I'll wait for 46,350 levels to be taken in order to confirm further downside here. Else, we may expect a breakout from above 46,450 here. Stochastic rising, MACD has traded enough bearish, trying to converge. RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, it has formed a double bottom, and now once it trades beyond 46,450, we can look forward to a move towards 46,500, 550 or 600 levels as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is traded enough bearish, RSI is staying flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, notice the move here. So far, you can see US 30 every rise offsets with a drop, and 20 period is definitely offered it a support, and this could not be any other exception. But remember, for reversal, it has to break past yesterday's high. For reversal, it has to trade beyond 46,700, 800, 900. As long as 46,900 is not taken, I will not be treating this as bearish. Also today it has formed a tail. It might try to bounce back a little. So I'll say 46,500, 600 should be there. But from those levels, again, a drop cannot be denied. Yes, it might possibly drop from those levels. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat. Looking at this, what you should do? First, where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy at 46,450 levels. And as I mentioned, till 46,700, I will say, you can trail with a 50 points trailing stop loss. There are resistances at 500, 550, 600, 650. Very good crucial resistances. Beyond 46,700, stay bullish for 46,800 and then 900 levels as well. And if at all 46,900 is taken any point of time today, tomorrow, in the coming week, you can expect a greater rally on the upside. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 46,350. Expect 300, 250, 200. Below 46,200, it will talk in terms of, you can say hundreds here. 46,050 next and 45,900 next. Below 45,900, the crucial support is at 45,700 levels. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.